Well, it's been a while since I've done an update video, mainly because there really hasn't been a whole lot of major progress to show. It's been a lot of little things, and I can show you some of those things here, but mainly the big project has been the cowling. So getting those two halves to fit, they're not really made for this engine, so it's taken some modification and some shoehorning to get everything in there. Mainly the positioning of the radiators, the oil cooler, and all that. I just finished fiberglassing in these inlets. That's an inlet there for cabin heat, and then an inlet here that'll go to the turbocharger. And inside it's just been mounting the oil cooler and making some baffles, the radiator there, and then running all the oil lines and coolant lines. So everything's still clecoed. I still have some trimming to do here and there. Fiberglass in this oil door. There's the oil tank there. It's easy access for checking the oil, filling the oil. There's the kick panels there. It's got the windows for a little better visibility down low. And then here's the panel. You can turn that on. So there's the panel with the glare shield. The glare shield will get covered with the same fabric that I used here with the interior. There's the turtle deck and the little quarter windows there. Not a whole lot left to do in here, honestly. It's you know, once everything's done, I just got to once I put the brakes on and the tires, bleed the brake system, fuel system's all done, everything's pretty well buttoned up in here. Just throw the seats on and do the push to talk on the stick grip there. Made a panel here for the tail wheel and the fuel selector. So it's starting to look a lot more like an airplane with all these panels getting put on. There's nothing really new back here other than a lot of dust. She's ready for a bath. Here's where I spend most of my time, here at the workbench, drilling, sanding, grinding, riveting, just making parts and pieces, fitting them on, trimming them. Here's one of the little things, these bolts stick out on the flap handle, and your seat cushions are right here. And so these bolts kind of eat into the seat. So I made this little plastic piece here. It's a nylon piece, and it just kind of lets the seat, just kind of pushes the seat away from it, so it rides a lot better when you raise and lower the flaps. Try not to poke a hole in the seat. That's kind of it for now. I mean, there's once I get the cowling finished and painted, the windshield, which is right there, it's a molded windshield, that'll go on. There's some wing cuffs that I need to make and paint, and then there's panels here that are all ready to go. They just need to be put on for the final time. Sunroof, tires, shocks, and the list is getting a lot shorter. So once I get it inspected, all these access ports will get covered up, and it'll be time to test fly. I think it'll be hopefully sooner than I think.